So it's about 9 o'clock. I was wondering if Christina's here and if Wanda's here. Or if anybody
is here. Okay. It looks like Wanda.
Oh, okay. Let me let her at least take a seat before I talk to her. Is there a way that I could please speak to Christina, though, if she has a moment? Okay, thank you. Just erase that. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So, I have spoken to Caleb. First of all, they did not test. And I know, not just because I didn't see it, because I saw it, but also because of how ignorant Caleb is and his excuses. He mentioned having saw the tub and having taken pictures in my apartment. And so I said, okay, well, I'm going to need those pictures. If you took pictures in my apartment, I need them. I need a copy of those because you were in my apartment. You did, first of all, to take pictures in my apartment, not even ask me or get my permission or let me know.
We don't need to give you permission.
But you still have, that's my property. That's my home.
We're doing it to repair your unit.
It's still my property.
Well, look, we need to take care of this issue.
I understand that, but I still get a copy.
I understand that.
And he told
when
me no.
Everything's done, and I need you to understand, your tub is not normal wear and tear. Okay? The repair is not a normal wear and tear.
Again, it doesn't matter. It's been for 2 years.
And you've been trying to self-fix it, and we have emails.
He's never fixed it.
I'm trying to fix it. This is the reason why it hasn't been fixed, is because of all the issues that you bring to us when we're trying to go into your unit.
Oh, really?
A professional came to do your mold
and they didn't do it because I have it on camera.
That's fine. You can have it on camera.
And you know how I know he didn't see the tub? You know how I know he didn't see it?
Fine.
Because of how he described the tub. The tub doesn't look like that anymore.
You need to let us fix it, okay?
I've been letting you fix it.
Okay,
I've never given you an issue to come in my unit.
So let me tell you what the process is.
If you put a notice, you can come in my unit, but you don't just get to sit here and say something. Follow the lease.
Follow the lease. You call the state.
You still have to follow a lease.
No, we don't.
Yes, you do.
We need to repair it.
You still have to follow a lease.
You need to understand.
You had 10 days. You still have to follow a lease. You can't sit here and tell me I have to follow a lease, and then you got to get it moved, shake a move how you guys want to.
They gave us a time frame. You understand that we're under. That's completely fine. I sent an email already, letting you know that the last time that.
And so, I made sure that they knew I was going to see my son.
He verbally told you that we had an appointment with the company and they came out and you didn't let them in.
And the lease says in writing.
It doesn't matter. We gave you a verbal warning.
It does say
it. This is exactly why it hasn't been fixed.
No, that's not exactly why.
It is exactly why.
No, it's not
that's
exactly why.
That's completely fine.
Because
I'll put a notice on your door. Thank you so much.
Because he could put caulking on it.
Any conversation that we have, I need it through email from here on out.
Okay, sounds good. So then, he also said for me to call. I called the Housing and Finance Authority.
Oh, that's fine.
Because if you guys keep on sitting here and saying and being antagonistic like that, I've never not allowed you. You have a key. You have a key.
We literally have a
camera. For real, you have a key. You act like you can't get in.
Okay, that's
fine.
Come on now. Call whoever you need to call, Willa.
I've been called.
Thank you.
He said, go ahead and call. If you guys want to keep on acting antagonistic.
No, it's you.
No, it's not me.
You're the one who called the state.
You know what? It's always just blaming on me. It's been 2 years. There's no way that's me. 2 years, nothing's not been fixed.
Every time we have
2 years,
something, there's an issue. We try to get in your unit, there's an issue.
Sounds good.
There's an issue.
2 years, you're right. It's always my fault.
Right.
It has nothing to do with the fact that you guys don't do your job. You're right, you too. You too. I'll make sure that it's taken care of one way or another. I don't care who is he related to. I'm sorry, what, ma'am? Can you send that in an email? Thank you. I'll look forward to that email. Since apparently he can't sit here and say it in my face. At least I got